I really need to watch this keyboard. This keyboard is so dirty, like me. I wish I wasn't so dirty, so I asked Jesus to make me clean. And that's what he does, and he does it so well. And why does he do that? So I don't burn in hell. Isn't that nice of him to be crucified for the likes of me? Isn't that nice of him to be crucified for all society? If society would pull their head out of their asshole and look around and see all the things that they could be if they allowed themselves to be better, if they lived in his image. But they're too obsessed with their image. I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed. I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed that I choose to be a mess. I'd rather be a train wreck than what they expect. I'm so lucky, I'm so blessed. I have the option to say fuck this, and I say fuck this every chance I get. Every chance I get. Every chance I get. Oh, this hurts my legs. No! Look at this, you guys. Isn't this crazy? This is one hell of an angle right here. Oh my God, that makes me nervous.